Hi everybody. I want to go over week 1 instructions for English 101 and explain a little bit about how you navigate this course going forward. So every week I will post an announcement with the weekly assignments and instructions. These will correlate to the schedule that you can click on here in this widget, but I often give a little bit more explanation as well as providing links to various items that you will need. So as a general rule, I'll post the announcement on Mondays, and then any graded assignments are due the following Sunday before midnight. So that will be our normal routine, but sometimes those due dates can vary, so make sure that you note any due dates that I list in the announcement. Okay, for week 1, the first thing you want to do is read all the Getting Started materials. There is a lot there. You don't have to read in depth, but you do want to see what's there, make sure you understand all of the requirements of the course and how you're graded and how to contact me and so forth. All right, the second thing you want to do is to complete the class introductions discussion topic. There's a link here to get to that discussion topic. You simply tell us a little bit about yourself and then read some of your class members, fellow class members' posts and respond to them. This one I would like you to do a little earlier this week, no later than Friday, because I have to file a report on Saturday that states what students have actually attended my class. And with an online course, this is my way of seeing that you're engaged and working within the course. So please get that done by Friday so that my report will be accurate. The next item is to read the article called The Danger of a Single Story that will be our reading for Unit 1. So it's reading 1 for Unit 1. The link I have here will take you to a PDF version, which you can print out if you'd like, and I think it's a little easier to read. So the link will take you straight to that article. However, you can get to any of the articles for this course if you go to content and then go to, I'll just show you content, and then go to the course readings. But again, in the announcements, I put all the links in there for you so that you're not having to search around and try to find these things. All right, so that's very important that you read that article. The next item is more reading, and there are quite a few links here to various reading selections within our course on various topics. They really all are important. All you have to do is read them, but even though there's a bit of reading, you really need to do all of that. Okay, so hang in there and go through the different readings. I think you'll find that they're well written and not terribly lengthy and interactive in some cases. So take a little time to do your reading. All right, and then the final item for this week is to annotate the article that I'm assigning for Unit 1, The Danger of a Single Story. The link here, by the way, is in Word format, which makes it possible for you to type on the document so that you could make your annotations electronically. This assignment is graded and you have to submit it in D2L electronically. So you're not mailing me a paper copy of your annotations. So you do need to be able to submit it electronically in D2L. If for some reason you can't write on the article electronically, then what you would want to do is to print it out, make your annotations in handwriting, and then scan it and send me that PDF, or take a picture of it with your camera, upload those images. You'll probably have to do a separate file for each page, and then submit those. If you have trouble with the technology of it, send me an email or give me a call and we'll try to help you out. This one is due by Sunday, which will be our normal time for assignments to be due before midnight. And again, this one is graded, so you want to make sure you get it in on time. All right, that's it for this week. Best wishes, and if you have any questions, please contact me.